Hello dear viewers, welcome back to the Growth Mindset Company channel. Today, we're diving deep into the intricate world of FIDIC contracts, and our spotlight is on a particularly crucial clause. Clause 2.5, titled Employer's Claims. For those who crave a more detailed exploration, our partner website www.wisdomwavashub.com has got you covered. The link is right there in the description. Let's get started. Introduction. Clause 2.5 isn't just a set of words on paper. It's the backbone of the employer's rights in the event of unforeseen circumstances. It's the employer's safety net, ensuring they have a structured way to address any issues that arise during the project. Purpose. At its core, Clause 2.5 is the employer's tool for seeking redress. It's their way of saying, we've encountered an issue, and we need a solution. This could be due to delays, defects, or simply not adhering to the contract's terms. Implications. Navigating Clause 2.5 is like playing a strategic board game. There are rules to follow and steps to take. Notice requirement. The first move. The employer has to give notice of the claim as soon as they're aware of the event leading to the claim. It sets the tone and informs the contractor that a claim is on the horizon. Engineer's role. The engineer is like the referee in this game. Once the claim is made, they step in to evaluate and determine the amount the employer is entitled to, all in line with subclause 3.5. Payment. If the engineer sides with the employer, the amount can be deducted from the contractor's payment. It's a direct way of settling the claim without lengthy negotiations. Extension of defects notification period. This clause isn't just about money, it's also about time. If there's a defect, that's the contractor's responsibility. The employer can claim more time to notify them about it. Key considerations. Clause 2.5 isn't just about making claims, it's about making them right. The employer should act promptly, ensuring their claim is detailed and backed by evidence, and a follow-up letter detailing the amount claimed solidifies their stance. Now, let's visualize this with a flowchart. Picture a flowchart titled Process of an Employer's Claim under Clause 2.5. It's a step-by-step guide, from identifying the event to the final deductions. This flowchart is a roadmap, simplifying the complexities of Clause 2.5. But wait, there's more. We also have a flowchart showcasing Clause 2.5 seconds execution and its associations with other clauses. It's like seeing the entire ecosystem of the FIDIC contract, and how Clause 2.5 fits into it. For those who love real-world applications, here are some sample letters for making a claim under Clause 2.5. Reads a couple of sample letters. In wrapping up, Clause 2.5 is more than just a clause. It's a testament to the importance of structured claims in construction contracts. It ensures that both parties have a clear path forward when challenges arise. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this content valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. And remember, for a deeper dive, head over to www.wisdomwavashub.com. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and always be prepared.